Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? So this next article is about Deutsche Bank, but it's not a video that you think I'm going to talk strictly about Deutsche Bank. It's about what Deutsche Bank is predicting. Let me read it and then I'll comment before I read the article. Deutsche Bank predicts cryptocurrency could replace fiat by 2030. Full disclosure, when I first read this article, I thought it said 2020, and I'm like, that's pretty soon. And then I looked, I'm like, oh, it said 2030. My second reaction to this title, Deutsche Bank predicts cryptocurrency could replace fiat by 2030. My second reaction was, is Deutsche Bank really in a position to predict when fiat will be phased out and when crypto currencies will replace it? They better worry about their own problems before they start making headlines about what year cryptocurrencies are going to replace fiat. I'm just saying, okay? Deutsche Bank describes cryptocurrencies as additions rather than substitutions to the currency, but believes this may change by 2030. That's 10 years. This will drive demand for alternative currencies, while fiat money will be tested by governments and central banks wrestling with higher inflation and the policy decisions that comes with it. Well, if you've been reading the news lately, even casually, how many central banks have come out in the last 2 months and said that they're creating their own digital currency? India, I just did a video on that. France, like 2 or 3 others, I think. Deutsche Bank sees the potential in cryptocurrencies. Gee, that's nice. That's refreshing. As a solid payment method. Oh, it'll be more than a payment method. The German bank therefore concludes that a new mainstream cryptocurrency will emerge in the years ahead. Heck, I could have told you that. Crypto Mentor 99 could have told you that. Anyhow, I'm going to put the link to this article in the description box below. This is from finextra.com. Finextra. I don't think I've ever done a video from them. It's really a nice looking news website. Anyhow, Crypto Mentor 99, Deutsche Bank, I appreciate you, but yeah, 2030 could be 2025. Anyhow, love y'all. See you later. Bye-bye.